Hey everyone, it's Rick here. Today I'm testing the Silkland HDMI 2.1 cable. It's an ultra high-speed HDMI cable that supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. Perfect for gaming, TVs and high-quality displays. Let's take a closer at the cable. It has a strong aluminum housing and durable braided design. That makes it more resistant than most regular cables. It also looks really premium. Look. Now let's test how strong it feels. I'm bending it a few times. It's flexible but still soft.
HDMI 2.0 offers 18 gigabits per second of bandwidth, which lets you run up to 4K at 60 Hz, while HDMI 2.1 massively upgrades this to 48 gigabits per second, supporting 8K at 120 Hz and even 4K at 240 Hz for ultra smooth performance. You also get several new features with HDMI 2.1, including dynamic HDR for better brightness and color, VRR for tear-free gaming, ALLM to reduce input lag, and eARC for high-quality, lossless Dolby Atmos audio. Both standards are backward compatible, so HDMI 2.1 devices can still work with HDMI 2.0 cables. For short distances, regular HDMI 2.0 cables can handle basic 2.1 features, but for longer runs, you'll need an ultra high-speed 48 Gbps cable. To confirm if a port is HDMI 2.1, look for the ultra high-speed label, or check if it supports features like 4K 120 Hz, VRR or eARC.
The outer layer stays smooth and doesn't crack or twist, you know? That's a sign of great build quality. Now I'm connecting to my laptop, and even when I pull the cable a little bit, it stays tight and secure. No loose parts, no problem. That's really good quality. After all these tests, the cable still looks brand new. If you need a strong and reliable HDMI 2.1 cable, this is a great choice. You can check the link below for more details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.